I'm on Castleway in Salford M6 to show you this spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached property. As you can see, it's got a driveway along the side. It's got a nice low maintenance garden to the front. Let's take a look inside. As we enter the property, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway, which benefits from a storage cupboard just through there. Then we head on through to bay fronted lounge. Got a second reception room just through here. Plenty of light coming through from that big window at the rear. And then we're heading through to the dining room, which leads this nice modern fitted kitchen, which is nice and bright and airy, and provides access to the garden at the rear as well. The property benefits from a garage which is in use for storage at the moment. The property is within easy access of transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Buille City and Manchester City Centre as well. It's an ideal family location. It's within easy access of local schooling and just a short walk from Buille Hill Park. As we head upstairs from the landing, you'll find a separate toilet and then the bathroom just through here. Got the third bedroom, which is a decent size. And then there are 2 double bedrooms, which are a generous size. And it's really nicely presented double bedroom just through here. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.